Devin with Patriot Awning here. I want to thank everybody for checking out our YouTube channel. The likes, the comments, the shares, the followers, the love we've been shown. Listen, it all means so much, and I wanted to thank you guys. Watch this to the end before buying a retractable awning, okay? Before we get into that, we're going to talk about the reasons that we're making this video, all right? An educated consumer is a consumer that doesn't have buyer's remorse, okay? I would rather not have a customer than have a customer with buyer's remorse or somebody that we've pushed into making a decision that didn't end up working for them. Maybe their expectations weren't met. Maybe we overpromised what we were offering the customer. We don't do that at Patriot Awning. Bad business, okay? Second reason, we're a full-service awning manufacturer, okay? We make all of our frames, weld them, fabricate them right here in Charlotte, North Carolina. We also make all of our own covers right here in Charlotte, North Carolina at our own facility. We do this. We have a full-service graphics department. We do all of our own graphics in-house. So we're a full-service awning manufacturer. We're not just an awning company. Some awning companies, all they do is retractables, okay? If the only tool in your toolbox is a hammer, everything's going to look like a nail, right? All you're going to do is push retractable awnings, retractable awnings. They're just the solution for pollution and the answer for cancer. Well, that's not the case. It's not the case. Let's get into it. Retractable awnings are great for shade and for shade only. You should never have a retractable awning out during the rain, the wind, the snow, or any inclement weather. In fact, you should not leave your retractable awning out unattended, okay? Warranties by awning manufacturers that make retractable awnings, I think 99.9% of them exclude any weather-related event, okay? So if an awning salesman, well, you can have it out during the rain, this thing's just built for it, blah, 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 blah. Have a look at the warranty. Does it exclude the weather-related events? If it does, guess who's paying for the damage? Well, why should you not leave a retractable awning out during the rain, okay? Retractable awnings have two arms that come out just like this, and they extend out and hold the front bar of the awning, okay? When it rains, water could pool on the cover and create a lot of weight on that front bar, okay? When it's windy, it's doing this right here. It's putting stress on the shoulders, elbows, a little bit of stress on the wrist pins and the wrists of the awning, okay? When it snows, it's like having a 200-pound guy climb up on your wrists when your arms are all the way out. Oh, that's going to hurt, isn't it? Well, this is going to break, is what's going to happen on a retractable awning. You leave it out during the wind, the rain, the snow. That's why you should never leave your retractable awning out basically when you're not out there with it, okay? We're in Charlotte, North Carolina. We get storms that roll up, especially in the spring and summer, months, and without warning, these storms can roll in. And wind sensors are great. The awning that we offer comes standard with a wind sensor. It'll roll the awning in. If you get high winds, it detects vibration in the arms and it'll roll the awning in. I tell my customers, don't rely on a wind sensor. It's a good thing to have just as a precaution, but you should not rely on any sensor to roll your awning in. It's not going to detect rain. It's not going to detect snow. It's just a good idea to roll the awning in when you're not out there enjoying it. Another reason you don't want to leave your retractable awning out in the rain is because, these covers aren't designed to be rolled up wet, okay? if you're buying a retractable awning, you want to make sure, especially if it's motorized, that you have a hood and end cover at least. Patriot Awning, we offer standard a cassette. This is a semi-cassette unit that we offer. The arms are attached to this bar. They're exposed. It's semi-cassette because the only thing in the cassette is the roller tube and the fabric. You still have a little valance that comes down, little thing that flaps in the wind, and that's exposed all the time, but you know, the majority of the fabric is in this cassette. So you wouldn't want to roll it up wet, right? You've got a wet cover and a cassette on a hot summer day. It's going to stink. You don't want that. You don't want that on your awning. So it's just something to consider. You know, we've done a detailed video on the 1776 model retractable awning. Here's a link to it, and you should check that out if you're in the Charlotte market, Charlotte, North Carolina market, looking for a retractable awning. We don't travel. We don't ship. We like to keep things simple, right? We're going to keep it simple. And yeah, so thanks for checking out our video. If you found it helpful, please like, please follow us on YouTube, subscribe to our videos, share our videos. Comment down below if you've had a story about a retractable awning or a dealer that maybe didn't disclose this stuff to you. And have a great day out there in YouTube land. We appreciate it.
Patriot Awning Company. Patriot Awning Company. American pride in every seam. Patriot. American pride in every seam. Patriot Awning Company.